going on, guys? All right, so we finished off the chrome training. We got the truck wrapped in gold chrome. It's vivid gold chrome. Turned out amazing, so let's check it out. Did a couple of things. We did some black along the top here, just to kind of give the windows more of a panoramic style. Talking about tinting the front window, obviously, to kind of blend it all in, give it that full effect. Everything's perfect, actually. There's no hazing on this. There's no white marks. It's really, really nice. It's really mirrored, so you can see. We did remove the bed a little bit, just pulled it back about 6 or 8 inches so we can get in here really nicely. It is a little bit more complicated, so if you are doing this yourself and you're not really mechanically inclined, it's a challenge. It does help a lot. We did have that option. We had someone come in and help to do all this stuff, which is nice if you don't know how to do it yourself. There is a printed tailgate, so as far as that goes, that looks amazing. So this is black ink printed on gold chrome using a roll-in printer, and it looks incredible. The top of the roof's done in gloss black. You can see everything's nice and clean all the way around. There's no hazing all in this recessed area. All around the bottom here, we've bent the film and contoured it all the way around the panel. The truck has a bit of a, it's weathered a little bit. It's daily driven. It's got some spots on it where the paint's not perfect, but it looks really good. Even in the wheel wells, guys, we don't have a broken finish. So let's check it out in there. So these kind of wrinkles are just creases in the actual panel itself. That's just the way the manufacturer makes it, but it's all mirrored on the inside. Maybe I can get the camera in there a little bit better. There you go. So let's check it out. Pretty nice, right? Obviously we have to cover that. If the truck was white, you'd see it. Same thing around this side, guys. We got this whole pillar nicely done, nicely tucked in here. We've just kind of coated the truck in some wax, some spray wax right now. We didn't have any Vivid Shield Guard, but this will do. So let's check out the front end. Hood is done in one piece. There's a little bit of embossing over on this side, right there. We've got Wrap It Up, CK Wraps collaboration, and the emblem is wrapped in gold. Well, the outline is. The center already comes kind of gold, which is really cool because it's kind of a cool contrast, kind of ties it in a little bit. The whole grille itself is wrapped in gold. Around the headlights is wrapped in gold. This front little bumper piece is wrapped in gold, and the actual chrome bumper is wrapped in gold. There is kind of like a steel skid plate there. We're talking about maybe do that in gold or black, who knows. That'll probably be done after I'm gone if it changes. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know. So I think the truck looks amazing. We're gonna slap some graphics on it, and that Jeremy printed off for the rear. And obviously his logo, company, phone number, that kind of stuff. You saw it on the tailgate. It's got all the rest of it going on. And I'll show you some of that in pictures of what that looks like when it's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to be posting up a ton of videos as far as what I taught them in this training. I'm actually trying to put most of it together into one. And then I did show you guys how to wrap the grill, which I'll post probably shortly after this video, so that you can see how I wrap that grill and how many pieces I use to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.